Alright guys, so today we got 2015 Grand Cherokee here. I just did the oil service and oil service light isn't getting on, so I'm just gonna check what's wrong with it. And if I start the car, it's gonna show me oil life 5% left. My flash is there, but as you guys can see, 5%. So I'm just gonna scroll through these things and we'll see if we find out something. So if you go on top, since reset, how to reset it, okay. Can't do anything. Maybe we gotta do something with the pedal, but let's see if we have something here. Speed, warning, change oil soon. Can't do anything here. Multimedia, trip, nope. Alright, so oil temp, tone temp. Alright, we gotta find out the way how to reset it. So turn your car off alright, it's off now. So just press it twice, so it's in the ignition now. You're gonna press the throttle 5 times. Nice and quiet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just turn it off and press brake and start the car again. So yep, it's been done. As you guys can see, it's showing 100% now, so all good. So if you find this video informative, hit down the sub and subscribe my channel. Alright, so all good. See you guys around.